Most anglers think all fishing knots are the same. Eyes. But one week, knot can lose the biggest fish of your life, fishing pole fire. And near the end of this video, there's one knot many anglers never teach beginners, flushed face. So watch carefully. The last knot might be the most important one.
Most anglers underestimate this swivel knot. But honestly, it's one of the strongest and cleanest fishing knots. Simple, strong, and the crazy part, many beginners still don't know how important it really is. So tell me in the comments, what's the name of this knot?
Most anglers think the first swivel knot is already perfect, but honestly, this second knot feels even cleaner and smoother underwater. And that's exactly why experienced anglers still trust it so much, because fishing isn't only about knot strength, it's also about balance, movement, and how naturally the setup behaves underwater. That's where this knot becomes interesting. Stronger alignment, better tension distribution. And honestly, many anglers never notice details like this. They only focus on tightening the knot, but underwater, tiny differences matter more than people realize. That's why many experienced anglers rank this knot right behind the strongest swivel knot. Not because it looks complicated, but because it creates a cleaner connection overall. And once you start understanding details like this, you begin looking at fishing knots completely differently.
Most people think stronger means more complicated, but fishing doesn't always work like that. Sometimes the strongest knots are actually the simplest ones. Less friction, less twisting, less weak pressure points. And honestly, that's exactly why I like this knot. Because it feels natural. No messy wraps, no unnecessary steps. Just a clean connection that stays reliable under pressure. And when fighting fish, confidence matters more than people realize. If you enjoy fishing tips like this, hit like, subscribe for more fishing content, and leave a comment. Would you trust this knot?
Honestly, this is the knot many anglers quietly keep to themselves. Not because it's impossible to tie, but because it changes everything once you understand it. This knot creates a connection that feels completely different underwater. Cleaner tension, better control, more natural movement. And the scary part? Most beginners never even hear about knots like this, because experienced anglers know how powerful small details can become. That's why the final knot is always the most dangerous one. Not dangerous because it looks complicated. Dangerous because it gives confidence, and confidence changes the way you fish. Harder casts, stronger hook sets, less fear of failure. Honestly, once you learn knots like this, normal fishing setups start feeling weak.